Hello traders, and welcome to this new market update. So this is a daily market update, and I'm doing updates every single day, including weekends, so including Saturday and Sunday. And the most important thing for me is that I'm trying, to share everything that I know, and I'm trying to publish the largest, the largest database of of trades on the internet. So I'm doing 5 videos per day, and this is not your 1 or 30 seconds video where I just show trade setup very fast and that's it. No, I try to do an analysis. So I try to 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 make to describe all my thought process when I want to take a trade, and how I want to, and what kind of confirmation I need to see, and so on. So if this is the first time that you are watching one of the videos of this channel, so I would like you to subscribe if you can. So if you can, I would like you to subscribe. Secondly, what I would like you to do, I would like you to share this video, because I'm just getting started, and I know that the content that I have is quality content. Why? Because go watch these videos and compare with what happened on the markets. Compare, and you'll see that most videos, they happen to work, and they happen to work. Why they work? Because my method just works. Because my method is based on years and years of trial. Because I've been back testing. I'm an engineer, so I don't trade I don't use emotions to trade. I'm not an emotional trader or an instinct. I don't use my instinct to trade. I trade based on data that I have collected. So if my data tells me that this Fibonacci level, when this Fibonacci level is combined with this trend line or whatever, then you have a potential buy or sell, also depending on the time of the day, etc., etc. So I just apply what I've learned, and that's why it works. And it works in forex. It works in commodities, in precious metals. It works on indices, on the major indices. It works everywhere. Okay, it works everywhere, and I invite you to have a look. Anyways, let's get started. So I will use a different technique. Why? Because we have different market conditions. So let's get to it. I will use the high and the low of the day. Okay, I use the high and the low of the day. Where are we? So yes, we are here. So we are here. So I have this level. So just watch this level. I'm just going to give you some levels, and you can do wonders with these levels. If you know how to trade, you will do wonders. Maybe not tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow, because maybe even tomorrow we are going to have a ranging market, maybe, or maybe during the Asian session we'll have our move. So the trade is very simple. Why am I using this trade? This strategy? You'll ask. Okay. Why? Because look here, look left. We are in the middle. Okay. Look left again. In the middle. We are sandwiched like this. Yeah. We are on a Big Mac. All right. We are inside a Big Mac. Okay, and we want to get and we want to we want to be set free, right? We are confined. We are on a lockdown. Because this is the time for lockdowns. Okay, so we are on a lockdown, and when we are on a lockdown, what do we want to do as humans? because price is the same, behaves the same way as humans, because there are humans behind. I mean, behind the screens, be you know, like institutions or institutional traders or banks or whatever, you know, like whatever kind of trader. So they are all humans, right? And when a price gets condensed like this, there is an opportunity for a breakout trade to give you more than it should, not more than it should give you, but to give you much more than if you try any other kind of trade. So we are on a very narrow range, and we should look for something like that. So here too, we were on a range, right? So we were on a range, so, and we had this move. Of course, we had also this move. So you can't really decide on what kind of move you are going to trade. But for example, here you would have a loser here, you would have then a winner, and then you would have your real, your real winner. Okay, you will have your real winner here. So if you know how to manage, you know, like to do real money management, you're going to you know, like, you're going to be fine. You're going to be fine. Again here, okay, we have the same, sorry, we have the same situation than what we had here. There is a trick that not really a trick, but this is by experience and this is by testing. Usually when we break the low, like here and here, all right, it's better to wait for a first fake breakout. Okay, it's always better to wait for a first fake breakout to happen before, you know, like trading, before, you know, like getting into the trade. This is also a strategy that can be used. Some people some people they also try to place their stop loss at the in the middle of the range. So you can place your stop loss in the middle of the range. This is also possible. So the most important in this trade, and I will say it and I will say it again, I'll say it even 3 times if needed, is do not abandon this pair. Do not take one trade and then go do something else. You have to stay here, okay? You stay with this pair until you make your money, okay? Like look here, look what happened here. You had losers, all right? You had losers, but then you had a big winner, and then you have another winner. So imagine you trade this one, and then you say, okay, I lost my money and doesn't work. This method doesn't work because I'm experiencing whipsaw. So I just want to say, you know, like hello or welcome among traders, because, you know, like, or welcome to the wonderful world of trading, because, you know, like, all traders experience, you know, like, whipsaws. This is natural and this is normal. But the more whipsaws you go through, like here, like maybe here, the closest you are to the large move. Okay, so start small and take the first trade if you want to take it. But then what you can do, you can also leave it and just take, you know, like you just take, you know, like you let the fake breakout, you know, like, happen, and then just take the other trade. The next trade. Okay, but you might not have the fake breakout. What I'm saying is that be smart when trying, you know, like, to trade this one. So that's it. So I'm just saying that you should trade a breakout. I'm not going into detail because you will spend lots of time, and maybe I will do it, you know, like, during a free course that I'm going to publish. I'm going to publish, you know, like, a complete course on how to trade these setups. Okay, so good luck, and I will do an update on this pair, you know, like, this week.